Hey everyone, I'm Coach Samira with Love Advice TV, and today we're here with Alex.
Hi Samira, hi everyone. I'm so happy to be here with you.
I'm happy you're here today. Today we're going to talk about mistakes that ruin your chances of getting your ex back. So this is like a really important topic because I know a lot of you in coaching sessions and also in the comments and in the blog talk about this. There's so many different, mistakes that people are making that, are keeping them from actually getting to their goal of getting their ex back. What are some of the common things that you've been seeing in that?
I just want to talk about the first one and the main, I think for me the most important one. It's always like what I call possessivity. What does it mean? When we are trying to get back with someone that we love, most of the time we are listening our feelings, our emotions. We are doing what we want, but we are not listening at what the ex want. And this is why sometimes you don't want to do the no contact, you don't want to send a good letter, because you are always thinking that you need to rush the get back process, which is not a good idea. So I would say this is for me the biggest mistake that I see with the people that I'm coaching. For sure, there is also neediness, clinginess, but can you talk a little bit about that, please?
Yeah, so, a lot of people think that, being needy and being a little bit clingy and, showing that you're interested a little too much is gonna get your ex back, but it's not, because it's not an attractive quality. So imagine that you're your ex and the other party is being clingy and needy. It's not attractive. You're gonna the more they chase you, the more you're gonna run away. So that's really important to keep in mind.
Yeah, and I feel it's like the first one that I say, when you want to rush something, when you don't take the time to really change, I can guarantee you that your getting back process will fail because you will not take the time to change.
Yeah.
So if you want to understand the biggest mistakes for me, it's always being needy, speaking about your feelings, about your love, and trying to always do what you want without listening your ex. This is for me the biggest mistakes. But also what I've seen with the people that I coach, it's trying to be in a relationship. And I know you value that person, I know it's the person that you really love. But if you're trying to come back in the past, in the same relationship, that will never work. You need to accept this idea to open a new page. I feel that you agree with me.
Yeah, I mean, it's good because you have like a new foundation. If you're trying to go back into the past and have the same relationship as before, it's not going to work.
It will be the same mistakes,
It's
right?
going to be the same mistakes, yeah.
And this is not what we want. Sorry for that. I just interrupt you.
No, but it's true. So, if you're moving forward and, you're improving yourself and you're growing, that's something new that you're bringing to the table, right?
Exactly. So I feel it's really important for you to stop being needy, clingy, or try to go too fast also. So this is something, and don't come back in the same relationship. Don't want to come back in the same relationship. We are here to help you open a new page, because after a breakup, I know there is sadness. There is also a lot of bad emotions you feel by yourself. But now we can rebuild everything together. And this is the 360 change that you can see in the masterclass with Coach Adrian and Coach Natalie. They did something really strong, because we want you to understand that the mistake that you are doing today are killing your future, and you can have some regret. So Samia, by experience, because you worked also a lot with people in therapy, for example, did you see some other mistakes that people are doing after a breakup?
Well, I think something that is a mistake that they do is they don't work on themselves. So when you have that time and space, it's really important to work on yourself and to focus on self-improvement and growth. And, if you're not doing that, that's a mistake. It's wasted time, right? Because you could have been taking that time to improve yourself.
Exactly. So now it's time to stop the mistakes, meaning you need to take your time, watch all of our videos, because we are here to provide you some techniques with the radio silence, with the letter, but also with the attraction process. If you want to make sure that you can reseduce, reattract your ex, you need to smile. You need to get some good energy. This is a mistake that I see. People are in a low energy and they want to show their love. This is sorry, but this is not working. I'm sad for you, but we can change. This is why this channel is here today. It's always for changing everything. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask us in the comments below. I think Coach Amira, Coach Steven, and also myself, we are here to answer your comments. Give us a likes because we like it. We want some support. Also, subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. It's time to change, stop also the mistakes.
Yep. Be positive.
Be positive, work on yourself. We had a lot of videos to help you rebuild yourself. And once you are ready, we can launch the Get Back process together. If you have any question, in the comment. But if you want some support, come on withmyexagain.com/coaching. You can select a coaching session with Coach Shamia, with Coach Steven, Coach Adrian, Coach Nat, and myself. I'm here today with my French Glitch to help you. I'm so happy to be here today with you. See you soon, guys, tomorrow for a new video. Thank you so much, Samia,
Thank
for being
you.
here.
See you
Bye-bye.
later.